Let's go over how to use the Fritzing program to make a simple wiring diagram. So first thing you'll want to do is find the Fritzing software. So I type into Google Fritzing, Fritzing. First thing that shows up is the Fritzing website. I'm going to click the download link. Now they ask that you pay either 8 or 25 euros. 8 euros is about 10 US dollars to help support the costs of developing this software. Then you click pay and download, and then it'll give you a PayPal prompt. Once you have done that, download the file, and wherever you downloaded that, go ahead and open it, and you'll see this file right here. This is the setup wizard. Just use it as you would any other installation for a Windows software. I've already done it, so I'm just going to cancel out. All right, once you have installed it, go ahead and open Fritzing. And you'll be greeted with this page right here. So we're going to click on breadboard up here. And we generally use a half plus breadboard. So down here in the inspector window, if you click right here, choose half plus, and there we go. So we have our breadboard. Now let's add our Arduino. So up here in the parts window, if we click on search, and it's already in here, but if you type in Arduino Uno, you'll get a few things will pop up. And let's see, where is our Arduino Uno revision 3? There it is. So I'm going to click it and then drag it over into the window with my breadboard. Okay, and you can do that for any parts that you need. Now, parts might not already be here in the Fritzing program. So in that case, you're going to have to download a file and then import it into Fritzing. So to demonstrate that, let's go to the Adafruit website, and we're going to try working with the MPU 6050, which is Adafruit's gyro sensor and accelerometer. So unfortunately right now it's out of stock. They do come up with more stock regularly. But what we're looking for is if we scroll down, pretty much all of their sensors have a guide. So in this Learn section, I'm going to click on this primary guide for the MPU 6050. And there's all sorts of useful information on these pages. Pinouts, how to use it with Arduino. What we're looking for over here on the left is the downloads. And then when you click on that, you're given a couple of options here. I want the Fritzing object in Adafruit Fritzing library. Once you click on that, you'll see that it will download that. So go ahead and open Fritzing again. And then in the parts window in the right, on the upper right, click on this little drop down menu right here and click import. Now navigate to where you downloaded the file. And then you're going to click on it and click open. All right, so in my case, I've already done this before, so it's already there. Normally you won't get that. So let's see if I type in MPU 6050. And there it is. All right, so now if I want to wire it up, what I'm going to do is first let's get some power from the Arduino. So I'm going to click bin, or actually no, let's go 5 volt. And I'm going to drag that over to one of these holes there. Now you can then click and move things to kind of make it look a little bit nicer, and so it's not blocking any other holes. And if you right click, you can actually change the wire color. So red is usually what we use for power. Then I'm also going to put ground as well. And usually we use either blue or black for ground. Okay, so now we can take the VIN. Well, let's move this down here. And you can right click on it and rotate it as well. Let's rotate it 180. Now I'm going to take my ground. I'm going to plug it in right there. And I'm going to take my VIN, which is my power. I'm going to plug it in right there. We're going to change colors so everything is color coded. And there we go. That's basic wiring using Fritzing. Now I would want to also connect my SCL and my SDA to my Arduino, and then also add any other sensors that I might be using. And generally what I would then do is I would take a screenshot of this window right here, and then I could put it into either Paint or any other photo editing software, and then save it as a JPEG or a PNG. And that's basic wiring diagrams using Fritzing.